Oh, there's more! There's ducklings! Dad, you're gonna hit them! Stop! Dad, you're going the direction.
So I got this free boat here. Got it free off Facebook. The front pontoon had a massive hole in it, so I cut that off and I just riveted this aluminium front on it, siliconed it all up, and it's just bolted to the fiberglass base. The side pontoons hold air, so let's go into the river and see if it works. G'day YouTube, taking the boat for a ride today. I'll show you where we start off from in New Zealand, small town called Waihi. We take off around here somewhere and head off on the boat, so stay tuned. Here's the motor. Look, watch where we're going.
Dad, it's getting really shallow, you need to turn. Yeah, I can see the bottom, there's a big rock there. Dad, it's too shallow, I don't want to get stuck.
The ducks. This is cool, eh? Have a look around with the camera.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Oh, I wish I want to catch one.
Zoom in on that. Oh, it's steady.
There's little ducklings there. And these are all swans and there's ducklings. It won't focus. These are the ducklings. You're going the direction. Oh, I went under the water, Dad, you just hit it. Where's it gone? Oh, there's a swan there. Wasn't it? Oh. I hope I got that. It's not too bad to pick up or bring up. Just drain all the water out it. Thumbnail Dad. Thumbnail Dad.